My friend, I want to talk to you about something important today, something that can change your life if you let it. It's called mindset. You see, the way you think about things has a huge impact on your life. It can determine whether you succeed or fail, whether you're happy or miserable, whether you live a life of regret or one of fulfillment. So, let me ask you this. What kind of mindset do you have right now? Do you see the world as a place of opportunity or one of struggle? Do you believe that you can achieve great things, or do you think that you're limited by your circumstances? The truth is, it doesn't matter what your current mindset is. What matters is that you have the power to change it. You can choose to see things differently, to believe in yourself, and to take action towards your goals. Now, I know that changing your mindset is easier said than done, but it all starts with awareness. You need to be aware of your thoughts and beliefs and how they're impacting your life. Next, you need to challenge those thoughts and beliefs. Are they really true? Or are they just stories that you're telling yourself? Are they helping you or holding you back? Once you've challenged your thoughts and beliefs, it's time to replace them with new ones. Ones that support your goals and dreams. Ones that empower you to take action and make things happen. And finally, you need to take action. You can't just think your way to success. You need to do the work. You need to put in the time and effort to make your dreams a reality. So, my friend, I challenge you today to change your mindset, to believe in yourself and your ability to achieve great things, to take action towards your goals, and to never give up on your dreams. Remember, life is what you make of it. You have the power to create the life you want. So go out there and make it happen. The world is waiting for you.